From the front of your store to the back of every department, Kasco Sharp Tech will repair your equipment right the first time with never more than one trip charge. We can service and repair all of your equipment, from the electrical plug to the casters and everything in between. One call to Kasco Sharp Tech will bring a factory-trained technician who is qualified to service every piece of equipment in your store, from saws to slicers, grinders to fryers, floor care equipment and checkout stands. We will diagnose the issue, find the problem, and make the repair. All of your equipment can be serviced or maintained with just one visit and only one call charge. Our low-cost, scheduled preventive maintenance programs will ensure your equipment is always running properly and safely, reducing downtime and improving output. Kasco Sharp Tech is a proud member of CEFESA, the Commercial Food Equipment Service Association. Over 100 factory-trained technicians are strategically located across North America and carry a large inventory of repair parts for on-the-spot repairs, including same-day and next-day emergency repair service. Our expansive team of sales and service personnel can provide prompt professional service, preventive maintenance, repairs, and the delivery of quality products to retail grocery stores, butcher shops, packing houses, and restaurants across the United States and Canada.